Alright, so I'll be attempting to tuck my wiring harness right here because it rubs pretty bad. Alright, so that's not good. I already rubbed through the harness once and it made all the lights all crazy. Made me think I had low oil pressure, which freaked me out sometimes. But yeah, you can see right there. And I don't know if you see up in there, but I already tucked it pretty high, so it's not rubbing. This is rubbing on this part, so I'm just gonna probably cut the rubber and make it go like vertical this way somehow. I don't know. Maybe extend it. I just gotta tie it back. So I'm trying not to take the wheel off because I'm lazy. To take off the fender, you gotta take off 1, 2. There's a third one in there. The fourth one like right here. I don't have it. There's 3 on the fender wall. 2, 3. There's 1. It's like right there. And I have a zip tie because my bumper is pretty cracked. Just chilling. And then you gotta take out the quarter light, which is 1 bolt too. So yeah, I'm gonna take those off. Oh, I just ripped all that off. I'll take those off and go to the next step. Okay, I believe I got all the bolts, so it should just come off. Did I get all of them? Yeah, I did. It should just come off. There it is. Fender's off. See, I already sort of tucked it. Actually, I pretty much did tuck it. See, I tucked it up all the way around. It's not hitting air. I won't have any chance hitting there, but it is hitting right there. So I might cut it the other direction just so it'll be easier to get to, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so I got the wheel fully locked out of the way and I have all the room I need to mess with this. So what I'm gonna, oh god, it's all going in my face. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna break this off. Either probably like pliers or something, or just spot weld it on. Or probably not. Probably just cut it. Alright, so I basically just cut it up here and I hammered it up, and I left this little ledge right here so then it could sit on. I'm gonna see if it rubs the full lock. I think this will, the hood cable, I think that's gonna rub for sure. So I'm gonna try to make this look pretty to my extent at least. Probably slice it right there so this will still have more rigidity to hold the harness. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and come back. Okay, at full lock it doesn't rub the harness no more, but it is pretty close. That is really close to the harness. It is rubbing the grommet, which I don't really care. It's I could burn off whenever, but yeah, it also is rubbing the latch cable, which I'm gonna have to fix. It's really just chilling on the tire. So I put one right there and then one right there. Yeah. Alright, so I zip tied the latch cable up to around right there. It's super close, but I think it should work. I don't have to hammer this. This is like bare minimum for these size tires. But yeah. Alright, so now you can see it's ridiculously close. Like, no joke. That's how close it is. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that. Can't do much about it now, but alright, so I got the fender on. I lined up the fender pretty close to where it's supposed to be compared to this one. It seems kind of normal, I guess. This one's kind of bigger, but not too noticeable. Yeah, let's see if it makes that rubbing sound still. Still does it. So upon further inspection, I was rubbing on more places than just that. It's actually rubbing right there. See that mark? I'm just gonna hammer all of it. So yeah, I'm gonna take the wheel off and then hammer it. I know pinch welds not really the ideal spot. Jack a car. The pinch weld on this car is pretty shot, so I don't really care. Gotta take off the wheel. The wheel should be pretty loose. It's a VW van. Looks nice. Last one, and the wheel will come off. Oh god, it's bad for the studs. Oh, I ran over. What is that? Maybe. Oh, come on, driver. See, that's where I'm rubbing, right there. At one spot. I already ate through this. Yeah, I'm just gonna hit that one time. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it at a time lapse because this seems like a two-hand job. That's what she said. So I hammered it. That was pretty quick. This is thin metal, so it just ovaled out really fast. Yeah. Alright, so I got it on. About to see if wasn't the harness, but the harness was rubbing. The harness was rubbing, so I would have messed up the harness eventually. Yeah, so now we'll test it for real this time at a different spot.